In this video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at what comes in the box and how to set up for first use your CountEasy 2 money counting scale. So let's get right into it. At the top of the box you've got the quick start guide and instruction manual. It's got all the information you'd need to use the machine. The rest of the box comes in two parts. In here is the actual device, and then there's a second lower set of cardboard which has got your flexi cup for the coins and also the power supply. So let's take a look at this. So that's the hod and the flexi cup, and your power supply will be in there. The actual CountEasy is in this bit here. It's already got the rechargeable batteries loaded, so the recommendation is from Polymatic that you install the device, plug it in and leave it on charge overnight to get the most use out of the rechargeable batteries. So the money platform or money hod sits in here. That's always in, that's in note mode, and then when you come to count the coins, that's when the flexi cup comes in. The power supply, normally they put it with a couple of different options, so you've got Euro, US adapters. Obviously we'll be using the UK one. So the UK bit just clips in, clicks into place. And on the back of the machine or underneath it you've got the power connector here. Pop it in and then leave it on charge, ideally overnight, to get the longest use out of your rechargeable batteries. Okay, I've got another video showing you how to actually use the machine, how easy it is to use and do a till count. That video will probably be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check that out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.